Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited because we are going to the Buddha International
Continue
Circuit.
straight onto Street 2.
This is the only F1 racetrack in our country and I am feeling privileged to be on the track day.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my
JP Group has built the Buddha International Circuit. They are the owners and they only maintains this infrastructure. The track was officially inaugurated on 18th October 2011. The 5 kilometer long circuit was designed by German racetrack designer Hermann Dill.
I don't know.
You don't know?
Ferrari. BMW.
Oh wow! See that?
Papa, see purple color.
Ah,
Shining car. It's like in this orange color.
oh wow! See this Lamborghini.
मेरे पास भी है देखो.
You also have. Where? Okay. That's
मेरे
great.
पास ना ट्री है. ट्री लैम्बोर्गिनी.
extrication vehicles.
Okay.
So that is different. So we trained them for around 6 months before the race. I'm talking about the F1 side. So this area is called ambulance bay. This is connected to the service road. We have two service roads. This track is made for both cars and bikes. So we take care of bikes also. So we keep all the equipments, all the set of equipments, emergency medications. A team carries two kits. So airway kits and resuscitation kits in case of any emergency. The spill of any fuel. So yeah. After coming to the medical center, we have to cool down. So we put him inside the clean water. If it is settled, we'll start the treatment. Right. In case of minor dressings, minor surgery like suturing, we can do that. And there is a doping control room. That's basically a room that's for doping test. They used to take the performance enhancement drugs. So they for testing basically. And we have two helipads for the medical, exclusively for medical. It's mandatory to have two helicopters, heli ambulances basically. This is exclusively for medical.
Okay.
And we have other helipad for other like camera helicopter like things. So these two is for the medical heli ambulances.
Okay.
All the action is controlled.
Uh-huh. Oh, who is driving? Who is driving? Are you driving in the F1 racetrack? Yes. Where are you?
On the racing track.
Racing track. Oh wow. Are you going to drive?
So this is going to be my lap, complete lap I'm going to take for this. And I would like to inform you that this Budh International Circuit is not making any international events because of the tax disputes happened with the government. Government is telling that it's not a sports, it's an entertainment. So that's how we got a privilege to drive in this track. Otherwise we would not have ever got this chance. So this is the rescue vehicle, and we cannot achieve our full speed because we are not known to this circuit. There are a lot of corners that are very dangerous. Even the professionals, they are not able to manage it, and that's how we cannot take the full throttle for our car. We just have to be in the speed which this rescue vehicle is taking. See the turn. Oh, this I think this is the first turn. There are 16 corners or turns, you can say, and two of them are very dangerous. So we are going to take 2 laps, but guys, I must tell you, it's very expensive. For 1 lap you have to pay around per person 2,500 rupees.
Sport drive mode activated.
He's going so fast, and I thought that I won't be able to drive so long. See the turn. Oh, see the turn. Your turn will also come. Oh, yeah.
Nah, I'm not going to do it.
See the turn, man.
Only 3 Grand Prix has happened till now. First in 2011, second in 2012, and third, which was the last one, in 2013.
I want to be a F1 race driver.
Oh, yay! Thumbs up. Yay, very good.